So here at the beach, gonna camp and stuff. It's pretty cool. Shit. It's pretty cool. So yeah. So I just set up my tent. This is my tent, and then this is his tent, and theirs. This is everybody else's tent. My tent wins. How do you feel about my tent, Brian?
Oh, dog. That's a legit tent. That's a single solar person.
It is, man. It's legit. It's like quick setup anywhere I go. Yay. Look at the beach. I'm always ready. Oh. Over here. Yeah. Yeah. Ah. Yeah. Right here, I want to get a first person point of view catch.
Oh, funny.
What's up? You can't see anything, but yeah.
Your name? We're gonna have you introduce your name, where you from, and what school you go to, and the 5 favorite things. Okay.
Social security.
Last 4 digits of your social.
Exactly where you live.
And then
Credit card info.
It looked good the first. It looked good the first time.
LED more. So look at this. I feel like
So
is it too bright, or you left it there for too long? Was it?
You left it there too long.
oh, okay.
Did you leave it too long?
Kind of exposed.
You have more
It's
of
like
a
a
yellow
quick-
light.
Yeah, mine's a yellow. It's not the same.
I think you should use your phone.
Okay.
That'd be more like.
I like your guys' light. So we're trying to create this right here and make it better. Yeah.
Stop, boy. Let's go.
We'll get it.
Good.
So you know what? Let's get us extra brownie points if we write.
We got it! Woo!
That'd be hard.
Yo! Yeah!
Let's go.
Look at that. Oh, look at that. Oh, bro.
Okay, we should definitely do crew now.
So, about to go to sleep now. This is my tent in here, small tent, and my sleeping bag. So yeah, see you tomorrow. Morning. What's up? Going in the water now. So yeah.